Okay, hi everyone. So now we are at question 4.3. Take a video of yourself explaining the two concepts with examples during your teaching in one of the technology subject lessons. So hi everybody, today I'm going to explain the difference between learning strategy and teaching strategy lessons and how they are used in technology education. Learning strategies are ways students learn better, while student strategy is how teachers teach to help students understand their lessons. I will focus on active learning as learning strategy and inquiry-based learning as a teaching method. Okay, active learning and learning strategy. Active learning means students are involved in learning rather than just listening or reading. They participate in discussions, experiments, and projects to understand the topics better. For example, in a technology class, instead of only reading about machines, students design and build a prototype of a simple machine. This allows them to learn by doing, improving their creativity, problem solving, and teamwork skills. So why is this important? Active learning helps students become more engaged and better prepared for careers where hands-on skills matter. In South Africa, encountering active learning helps young students gain practical skills needed in different industries. Now we're going to talk more about inquiry-based learning, the teaching method. Inquiry-based learning is a way of teaching where students ask questions, they do research, and explore ideas instead of just a teacher giving answers. For example, in a technology class, research different types of renewable energy. They conduct experiments and share their findings on which energy source is more effective. Why is this important? This method is important because it helps your student think critically, analyze information, and becoming independent learners. Teachers guide students, but learners actively discover solutions. So this is why it is important for South Africans' engineering and technologies industry for them to do more independent learning. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a summary. Active learning helps students to learn through hands-on activity, while inquiry-based learning encourages students to ask questions and do research. Both methods help students gain skills they need for their careers, making them better problem solvers, innovations, and contributors to South Africa's economy.